McIntyre.
Revamped attitude, revamped appearance.
Making his way to the ring from Ayr, Scotland, weighing in at 254 pounds, Drew McIntyre.
McIntyre's made it his mission to eliminate all the complacency in WWE. You know, Drew McIntyre arrived and he was the chosen one. Handpicked by WWE Chairman Mr. McMahon. And Drew will admit that he became complacent. Felt like he didn't have to work hard to get to the top. When he got fired, he went away, he got a new attitude, and now he's back, bigger and badder than ever, with a vengeance.
Yeah, this new attitude from Drew McIntyre dictates he will take whatever he wants.
McIntyre laser focused.
I am Herrman, the angry German, Mr. Choleric, yeah, that's my sermon.
And his opponent from Memphis, Tennessee, weighing in at 166 pounds, the mouth of the South.
Step aside, fools, I'm storming the street, fucking my veins, raging the beat.
There is an absolutely big fight feel in the arena tonight for this one.
Yeah, and judging from the vibe here currently, it seems to me like this is the one this sold-out crowd came to see.
Calling the angers alive, Herrman the choleric got blind. I say, Herrman, the angry German, Mr. Choleric, yeah, that's my sermon. Get out of my way, you bums, I'm here. The funk is fire, the race is...
Here we go with this huge last man standing match.
Last man standing matches are about as barbaric as they come, guys. It's all about pummeling your opponent to the point where they can no longer stand.
Oh, nasty impact. Tossed around like a rag doll.
Set it up!
Oh, what a snapmare.
Oh, perfectly executed.
Oh, continuing to punish them. Shoulder tackle. What a stomp.
Good grief!
What a German suplex. Double axe handle.
He's starting to stumble here. At this point, it's all about how he responds and potentially rebounds.
And I'm sure a lot of people are expecting him to be the last man standing here tonight. And he very well may be.
Wow.
But right now, it's not looking so good for him.
Guys, we've seen some pretty creative finishes to last man standing matches over the years, and perhaps one of the most creative took place at Extreme Rules 2010 when John Cena duct taped Batista's legs together.
Nailed it. This might be it.
Oh my!
What a strike. Byron, regarding that Cena-Batista match you mentioned, not only did the Animal lose that night, but it was also likely one of the most embarrassing moments of his career.
Of course it was, Cole. Wouldn't you be embarrassed if you struggled to stand because your feet were taped together? Come on.
Oof. Kick to the gut. I'd say Drew McIntyre's career is a
Story of two completely different chapters. McIntyre himself would tell you his first chapter didn't quite go as planned, but boy, chapter 2 is a whole nother story.
Oh, nasty impact.
He's looking a little off balance. You have to wonder if he could recover from this, guys.
Hey, he can still win this thing, guys. We've all seen him come back from much worse.
What a stomp!
Good grief. Michael, I like your analogy of McIntyre's career as two different chapters. And while chapter 1 didn't necessarily blow anybody away, there was a foreshadowing of his future success.
Oh, even Mr. McMahon himself called McIntyre a future world champion, which of course later came true in 2017 when McIntyre defeated Bobby Roode for the NXT Championship.
Ooh, what impact! We will go on. Back between the ropes. Drew McIntyre faltering some. He's going to want to make sure this doesn't snowball out of control.
Hey, you're going to absorb some punishment in a wrestling match. It just goes along with the territory, and he knows that.
Oh, man.
I doubt he's all that concerned at this point.
The good news for him is that his opponent's offense is likely packing a little less of a punch, considering all the damage he was able to inflict earlier in this match. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Boom! Here he goes.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
Looking at it. Ooh, what a headbutt.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
But now, can Drew McIntyre capitalize?
This match ain't over yet. Double underhook. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Look out, down he goes. And he might not get back up.
Face buster!
Man, that was vicious.
2, 3, 4. What a match! And this match is going to continue. What a great weekend of WWE action it's been so far, and it's only Saturday. We still have another day to go.
He was tossed. You should get airline miles for that.
2, 3. Beautiful technique. And the beat goes on.
Harsh impact.
2, 3, 4.
You know, I'd say matches like this really drive superstars to take risks they normally wouldn't take. An example that immediately comes to mind would be Shane McMahon's actions in Unforgiven in 2003.
8. Not over yet. They get dangerous out here, especially when there are no countouts. Nailed it. Man, let the ref do his job. Ooh. You gotta believe this one's over.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
2, 3. These competitors are absolutely destroying each other. Headbutt! Oh, what impact!
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
All that's left now is for McIntyre to finish this.
This might be it!
Oh my.
Double underhook. Absolutely spiked.
DDT.
We're going to take another look at this.
I could watch this move over and over.
Come on, let the ref do his job. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next. And the beat goes on. Uh-oh, here we go.
Who knows what's going to happen? This match could go anywhere.
I don't know about you, but I can't think of anything I'd rather be doing on a Saturday night than watching this great match. Another great Saturday of WWE action here tonight. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Set flatliner.
Man, face first.
The steps connect.
That hurt me just watching.
Boom, what?
The steps connect.
That hurt me just watching.
Oh, nasty impact.
Oh, clobbered by the steps.
That'll make you reassess some things. Ooh, what impact.
Look at these two giving it their all. There's absolutely no quit in them tonight. And this match is going to continue. I'd like to thank everyone for tuning in on this exciting Saturday night. We have plenty of WWE action for your viewing pleasure.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle. Oof.
Great one-on-one action here tonight. It doesn't get much better than this. We're seeing two outstanding athletes looking to prove their dominance in there, but only one can walk out victorious. Who will it be?
Beautiful technique. Harsh impact.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
One more. Ooh, what a headbutt.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Just in case you didn't see it the first few times.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other. Drew McIntyre gets the win.
These guys were awesome. Let's take another look.
Who could forget this?
I know the match was solidly entertaining, but I really hope these guys would take it to the next level. Regardless, nobody's asking for their money back.
Here is your winner, Drew McIntyre.
That's a big win for him, ladies and gentlemen.
It's a win here tonight for Drew McIntyre.
I couldn't agree more. What an amazing contest that was.